Hi guys, today is Thursday and I started early today walking. It's now 4:30. Yesterday I did 4.1 kilometers and I started late. I think I started about 6:30 after dinner, but today I'm starting early walking. It's warm today and it's 19 degrees, so I'm not gonna go far with my walking adventures. I'll just gonna take it slowly as it is warm and just enjoy the beauty of nature around me. So let me just take a look this side before I'll do farther with my walking regular exercise today. Today again I did not bike. My husband already put some air on my bike, but I just decided to walk and just enjoy more the nature because I can see more stuff when I'm walking rather than biking. There are a lot of dandelion, so I always appreciate them, their beauty, and it's also good food for the bees and it helps them like the pollination. They're also good for survival, as I've been watching the survivor man, and he tried to use this as one of his food, and it can be also used for making tea as long as you know how to make it. But for me, I just appreciate them. It's so nice now because everything is green, so it's very relaxing. Though it is warm today, the wind is about 27 kilometers per hour, so it helps as well. I think this is nice here in Leduc multi-way trail system. It is maintained all year round, so it's really clean, and people also are very responsible, like they clean out and pick up their garbage as well. Some of the neighbors, they already set up their garden. My shoes today is a bit hurting, so I think this is not comfortable for walking. So I might not use this again next time. This is meant for hiking shoes, but I use for walking today. I just sit down and relax for a while and just enjoy the breeze. Sorry about my hair. On my left side, if you can see, there are already people starting the community garden. So it's nice to see, because last week when I was walking in the Copper Lake community garden, I didn't see anybody start the garden. But here in Kingsman, Deer Valley Garden, there are already couples starting. So it's good to see. Yeah, this is here. Kingsman, Deer Valley Gardens. So the community garden over there. This side, actually, I've seen before, like month of April, that they did also the tree planting this side. So next year or in the next couple of years, this side of the walking trail would be very nice, because there would be trees and it helps cool down as well. It's help like, I always enjoy the bird chirping when I'm walking, so most likely this is gonna be home for other plants in the future. So I'm halfway through with my walking exercise today. So I think I'll be finishing here quickly. And since it's warm, even though I'm wearing a hoodie, because it helps me with I'm afraid of getting more skin color. So I'm just wearing a hoodie right now. So as you can see on this field, this is so green and very relaxing. And on my right side is also a residential, but they make here the city make here a very nice walking trail that it's connecting to all the community here, which is a really good program. But what I've noticed is mostly the people that have been walking and using the walking trail is they have their dog. There is an airplane coming into land, and I think it is WestJet. It's nice today. I saw one person in the neighborhood cleaning his yard, and we just shared about dandelion. Told him that I always admire them, but there's quite a few in the walking path, so some of the people, they don't like it. So far I've walked at 3.8 kilometers, and I can see that my skin now is getting more darker.